subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Nokia has launched its new 5G-enabled phone under X series globally called Nokia X10 and Nokia X20. Both of these devices looks quite identical but are different in terms of specifications, and among these two, the Nokia X20 is the higher variant with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Nokia X20 features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 chipset paired with Adreno 690 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage that is further expandable up to 512GB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Nokia X20 supports a ZAS-powered quad camera setup on the rear in a circular module at the top center, including LED flash. The quad-ray camera includes one 64MP main camera along with the 5MP ultra-wide-angle lens plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor. For selfies, it has an 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top center. The smartphone comes equipped by 4470 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging, and on the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also has a dedicated Google Assistant button for better voice control. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, FM radio, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.9 by 79.7 by 9.1mm and it weighs around 220 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Nokia X20 has been priced for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at €349, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at €379. The smartphone is said to be available from May this year in Midnight Sun and Nordic Blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Nokia X20 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.